Marina itself is over 50 years old, and the lake is only 55 years old.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, well, my name's Jerry Gotze, and my wife, Ann, and I run this property for a fellow who owns it, lives out of town. Have been here since she's a couple of years since I retired. And when we started 5 years ago, we had an analog system, an old security system.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, for what it was fine. But as we grew and we added docks, we couldn't grow the system.
Yeah.
And so, and then we started having a few little, people coming in on a boat out of the water and coming up on a boat and taking fishing poles. And we don't want any of that. So we made a commitment to upgrade the security system. So the only way to do that without running wires through parking lots and, it was to do it wirelessly.
The challenge: connect 8 buildings, 6 of which are built on water, so that 22 high-definition surveillance camera feeds could be aggregated together, monitored, and accessed securely via the internet. We needed to store motion events for up to 30 days to help provide a safe environment for the marina, its customers, and their property. Therefore, the network needed to be high-performing to carry these high-definition video feeds at near real-time speeds. The geography of the property presented additional challenges that had to be overcome.
Called Nate, and he was probably the first person that I've talked to. I understand some of the technology, for somebody my age, normally they don't even use a phone, but I have a pretty good idea. But I couldn't talk to anybody that could explain what was going on or what they were doing in a way that I could understand it.
Yeah.
Nate did.
To address the challenges and keep costs to a minimum, we architected a wireless point-to-multipoint solution using a combination of Ubiquiti AirMax and Unify wireless and wired networking components. This solution would provide high-speed 5 GHz wireless connections between the main Marina store building and 4 of the outbuilding structures. The remaining 3 structures would be connected via a wireless mesh solution that leveraged the point-to-point wireless infrastructure to get back to the Marina store. The result? A fast wireless network securely serving high-definition video feeds and offering expanded wireless networking capability for guests and staff.
I can't tell you how happy I am, because this is something that I could have very easily gotten into, and it could have been 2-3 times what we thought we were paying.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of that going on, and Nate's the real deal. What does freedom mean?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Well, first, I'm going to tell you that I was, it means a lot more to me now than it ever has meant to me.
Mm-hmm.
Freedom means everything. I've got 10 grandchildren.
Oh, wow.
I'm, 4 children, 10 grandchildren. And, I'm really concerned about what this world's going to look like when they, are of age to go do something. So it's very important. Now to kind of see us moving in a different direction, so it means a lot.